Alright, so in order to make our liquid batter for our Korean fried chicken wings, we're going to use a half cup of cornstarch, okay. I'm going to use a half cup, in my case, of gluten-free flour. Put in my butter 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. One teaspoon of salt. And you will put 1 teaspoon of black pepper. In my case, I'm not going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend, which does have black pepper in it. All right, so we want to mix this well. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Alright, so here we have our liquid batter for frying.